Hello, good morning, guys. Today we will solve exercise 5.3 and question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? It's mean question में बोला गया है how many terms. It's mean we will find the value of n. Sum. This is the value of sum. A means A is 9. Means it is the first term. Okay, now firstly we will write given a equal to 9, that is the first term. We know that common difference, that is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 8, and sum of the nth term, that is equal to 636. Number of term that is denoted by n, and that we will find. Okay, we know that the sum of AP term, that is equal to n upon 2 inside bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d bracket close. Now substitute the value of given Sn, that is equal to 636, and as it is, because we will find the value of n. 2 into a is 9, and again as it is, and d change to 8. Okay, when we solve this whole term, the answer is 636, that is equal to n. यहाँ पे n डिवाइडेड बाई 2 था, ये 2 हमारे इनसाइड टर्म के साथ हो गया, यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो गया, यहाँ पे डिवाइड. सो 18 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 9. 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, 4 इंटू n, 4n माइनस 4. अगेन 9 माइनस 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 4n as it is. So when n multiply by this complete bracket, so this will change 5n plus 4n square minus 636, because when 636 shift to another side, the sign will become change, and that is equal to 0. And this is the quadratic equation, and quadratic equation we will solve with the help of factorizations. Okay, we will splitting the middle term. Okay, 53 and 48. When we subtract 58 minus 48, that is equal to 5. When we multiply these two terms, that the product is 4 into 636. Now taken commons, n commons, 4n plus 53 as it is. Now common taken from this side, 12 commons, inside is n minus also, so 4n. When we will take a common minus, this minus change to plus, and 53. Both these brackets are same, so we will write n minus 12 and 4n plus 53, and n is equal to 12, and this bracket gives the value of n negative, and negative value of n always rejected, so n is equal to 12. Clear? The next question. Next these question number 5, 6 and 7 and 8, up to 5, 6 and 7, these three questions is the homework. And question number 8, see, find the sum of first 51 term of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. हमने निकालना है the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. second and third terms जो हमें दे रखी है वो है 14 and 18. Okay, firstly we will find out with the help of second term and third term. A means first term we will find, second term 14, third term 18. So common difference, second term minus first term, that is equal to 4. Now we know that A2, that is equal to A plus D. Okay, so A2 14, A we will find, so we will write as it is, and D is 4. So A equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. Okay, if A we have, so next sum of AP term Sn, that is equal to n upon 2 inside bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the given value. N is number of terms, and that is 51. Okay, now upon 2 inside bracket 2 into what is the value of a 10 plus n minus 1, n is the 51 minus 1 into common difference for the 4. Okay, now when we will solve this, 2 into 10 20, 51 minus 1 50, 50 into 4 200, 200 plus 20 220 into multiply 51 upon 2, 2 and 220 both are same even number, so the cancelization, 2 is the factor of 220, so answer is 5610. Okay, this is the sum of 51 term of an AP. Okay, the next question is there. Question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 term of an AP is 49 and that of 70 term is 84, find the sum of first n terms. Okay, firstly we will write sum of n term, that is the Sn 49. The sum of 17 term, as 17 we will write, that is equal to 289. The sum of n term, so that is Sn. Number of term we will find, common difference we will find, first term also we will find. Firstly we will write, we know that, okay, Sn that is equal to this one, and substitute the given value. N is 7, A as it is. Okay, when we will solve this term, so we have got 49 that is equal to 7. This 2 divided by the whole bracket, because all these numbers even number. 2a divided by 2, that is a, and 6d divided by 2, that is 3d. So a plus 3d, this 4 shift to another sign, the sign will become change, and 49 divided by 7, that is equal to 7. This is the equation number first. Now next S17. Similarly, substitute the value of n, this one, and we have to got equation this one, a plus 8d, that is equal to 17. Now subtract first equation from a second equation, like substitution method and elimination method from chapter number 3rd. Okay, so for this is the equation number second, a plus 8d minus first term a plus 3d, इसमें माइनस ए माइनस 3d, बिकॉज हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड 70 माइनस 7, सो d इज इक्वल टू 2. d की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास 2. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ d, दिस एंड इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. सो a प्लस 3d मीन्स 3 इंटू 2, दैट इज 6. व्हेन 6 शिफ्ट टू अनदर साइड, द साइन विल बिकम चेंज, सो a इक्वल टू 1. a की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास. अब हम निकालेंगे सम ऑफ n टर्म्स. अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला n अपॉन 2 एज इट इज, 2 into a, substitute the value of a, that is 1 inside bracket, n minus 1 into d, and d is the 2. Okay, the next is there 2 plus 2n minus 2, positive and negative to cancel to each other, so we have 2n into n, 2n square upon 2, 2 and 2 cancel, that is equal to n square. The sum of first term is the n square. Okay, the next question is the question number 10. Show that a1 a2 up to so on an from an AP where n is defined as below. First question is a homework, and second question I will solve here. Another term of AP an, that is given 9 minus 5n, and common difference we don't know, so we will find it. So substitute the value. Firstly we will find a1. Where is the n? You will substitute 1. So 9 minus 5 into 1, 5, that is equal to 4. Similarly a2, n change to 2, so minus 1. a3 minus 6 and a4 minus 11. So it can be observed that a2 minus a1, 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, a3 minus a2 minus 5, a4 minus a3 minus 5. इसमें ak plus 1 minus ak means second term minus first term is the same in every time. So therefore this is the AP with common difference minus 5 and a equal to 4. So Sn that is equal to n upon 2 inside bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a and d. The next is there 15 upon 2, 8 minus 70, that is equal to minus 62. When minus 62 is divided by 2, that is 31. Now minus 31 multiply 15, that is equal to minus 465.